We begin our journey at the reception area, where professional workers carefully open wooden crates to reveal massive slabs of raw, dark golden honeycomb from the forest. The warm ambient lighting highlights the rich, organic textures of the honeycomb, signaling the start of a meticulous process that preserves the true essence of nature's nectar. In this macro view, observe the incredible density of the wild honey as it slowly flows from its hexagonal home, shimmering with a deep and natural amber hue. Every single slab is lifted and examined under bright lights to ensure absolute purity, ensuring that no foreign materials interfere with the quality of the final product. The intricate patterns of the forest beeswax are a marvel of nature, holding within them the clear, translucent liquid gold that we are about to extract with care. Accurate measurements are vital for our production consistency, as each batch of raw honeycomb is weighed on precision scales before moving to the next stage of processing. The digital readouts reflect the abundance of the harvest, providing the necessary data for our master harvesters to track the yield of this precious forest resource today. This is raw forest honeycomb in its most natural state, ready to be transformed into the premium bottled honey that our customers have come to expect and love. Entering the extraction phase, a specialized heated knife glides through the wax cappings, unlocking the floodgates for the rich, aromatic honey stored deep within the combs. As the seals are broken, the honey bursts forth in a glorious display of natural abundance, flowing freely and filling the air with its deep floral scent. The uncapped combs are then introduced to our crushing system, where mechanical pressure is applied to ensure that not a single drop of precious nectar remains trapped. The rhythmic motion of the rollers breaks down the wax structure, creating a rich mixture of honey and comb that will soon be separated by our advanced systems. This thick mixture of honey and crushed wax moves steadily through the processing line, appearing like molten gold as it travels toward the primary filtration and collection tanks. Watch the heavy flow of raw honey as it cascades into our collection vats, creating a deep pool of unrefined sweetness that carries the soul of the forest. The uncapping and crushing stage is now complete, having successfully liberated the raw honey from the beeswax, setting the stage for the high-speed separation process following next. Our facility utilizes medical-grade stainless steel to ensure that every step of the process remains hygienic, preserving the natural enzymes and nutrients found in the raw honey. Constant monitoring is essential at this stage, as our technicians manage the flow of the honey mixture to maintain an even pace for the upcoming mechanical separation process. The scale of our operation combines traditional harvesting wisdom with modern industrial efficiency, allowing us to process large volumes of honey without compromising its delicate natural profile. Now, the honey mixture is loaded into high-speed centrifugal separators. This critical step uses physical force to pull the pure liquid away from the remaining pieces of wax. The safety lids are secured, and the powerful motors begin their work. The quiet hum of the machine indicates the start of the intense separation phase under pressure. Inside the machine, the rotation speed increases rapidly. Centrifugal force pushes the dense honey through the outer mesh, effectively filtering out the larger particles of crushed beeswax. As the machine reaches its peak velocity, the honey is perfectly separated from the solids, ensuring that only the liquid nectar proceeds through the remainder of the line. From the discharge outlet, a stream of purified honey emerges. It is now mostly free of wax, though it still retains its natural character and complex forest flavors. Notice the immediate change in texture and clarity. The centrifuge has done its job, leaving us with a smooth, consistent stream of honey that is ready for filtration. When the cycle ends, only the dry wax residue remains in the basket. Every possible drop of honey has been extracted, maximizing the yield from our forest harvest. This byproduct is not wasted. The clean, dry wax is collected to be used in secondary industries, ensuring a sustainable and zero-waste approach to our honey production. Centrifugal separation is a cornerstone of our process, providing a mechanical way to achieve high purity without the need for excessive heat or chemical additives in production. The efficiency of our centrifuge bay allows us to handle large batches while maintaining the integrity of each individual honey profile. From the hive to the final bottle, the honey now enters our multi-stage filtration system. It passes through 3 distinct layers of mesh, gradually removing even the smallest microscopic particles of pollen and dust. Under controlled pressure, the honey is pushed through a 50-micron ultrafine filter. This ensures a crystal-clear appearance that meets the highest standards for premium table honey quality. As it flows through this transparent observation pipe, you can see the remarkable clarity we have achieved. The honey is now brilliantly bright and completely free of impurities. Next, the honey enters the vacuum chamber for de-aeration. By spreading the honey into a thin film, we can effectively remove any trapped air from the previous stages. Watch as thousands of tiny air bubbles rise to the surface and vanish. This process is essential for achieving that perfect glass-like finish in the final bottled product. In slow motion, the surface of the honey becomes as smooth as a mirror. Without air bubbles, the honey will remain clear and resist crystallization for a longer period. Our technicians carefully balance the vacuum pressure to ensure that the honey's natural moisture and delicate aromatic compounds are not compromised during this important finishing stage. The result is a dense, high-clarity nectar that represents the pinnacle of honey processing. Combining natural forest goodness with the precision of modern food science technology, multi-stage filtration and de-aeration ensure that every jar of our forest honey is as visually stunning as it is delicious, meeting our rigorous standards for global distribution. This sophisticated network of pipes and chambers is the heart of our purification process, where we refine the raw gifts of the forest into a premium luxury product. Before we proceed to bottling, a sample is taken for the final round of testing. This ensures that every batch matches our exact specifications for moisture and purity. In our state-of-the-art laboratory, each batch undergoes rigorous testing. Using a digital refractometer, we measure the precise moisture content to ensure the honey remains shelf-stable and rich. A moisture level below 18% is our gold standard. This low water content prevents fermentation and ensures a thick, luxurious texture that consumers around the world appreciate. We also verify the honey's origin by analyzing its pollen profile under a microscope, confirming that it truly comes from the wild. Diverse flora of our protected forests. Detailed chemical analysis ensures that our honey is free from any contaminants and rich in the natural
honey is
glucose
pumped
and
into
fructose
massive,
that provide its unique
temperature-controlled stainless steel storage
multi-layered
tanks
sweetness
that keep the
profile.
honey at an optimal
Once all
viscosity
tests
for
are passed,
bottling.
the batch receives a final stamp of approval. This commitment to quality is what sets our premium forest honey apart from common alternatives. The approved honey is now moved into massive, temperature-controlled tanks. These vessels maintain the perfect conditions, preventing any changes in flavor or texture before the final bottle. Our strict adherence to moisture levels under 18% guarantees a product that is not only delicious, but also of the highest possible grade for natural forest honey. With the science of quality control complete, the honey is now ready to be packaged in its final form. Moving from bulk storage to individual designer glass bottles, the final stage begins on our automated bottling line. Thousands of premium glass bottles move in perfect synchronization, ready to be filled with our liquid forest gold today. Each bottle is treated with ionized air to ensure complete sterility. This high-tech cleaning process removes any microscopic particles, ensuring the purity of the honey is never compromised. The precision filling nozzles descend with robotic accuracy. This automated system ensures that every single bottle is filled to the exact volume required, without a single wasted drop. As the honey fills the glass, it glows with a rich, inviting amber color. The bottom-up filling technique is used to maintain that perfect, bubble-free clarity we worked so hard for. The consistency of the fill is remarkable, showcasing the precision of our modern production line. Every bottle is a perfect replica of the last, ensuring total brand reliability. Next, the automated capping station applies a sleek bronze seal. These airtight caps protect the honey's freshness and aroma from the moment it leaves our facility until it reaches. The rhythmic sound of pneumatics echoes as each bottle is hermetically sealed. This step is critical for preserving the natural enzymes and the delicate flavor of the forest honey. Full traceability is provided by our laser labeling system. Every bottle carries a unique batch number, allowing us to track its journey back to the very day of harvest. Our automated bottling line combines speed with uncompromising quality, turning the raw harvest of the forest into a finished product of the highest international food safety standards. The harmony of technology and nature is evident here. As we prepare our premium forest honey for its final journey to kitchen tables and gourmet shops around the world, behold the final product. A bottle of pure forest honey that captures the essence of the wild in every glistening drop, crafted with care and modern precision. The thick ribbon-like flow is a sign of our honey's exceptional quality. Its rich taste and smooth texture offer a truly premium experience for the most discerning palates. From the deep forest to this elegant bottle, we bring you nature's finest gift. Experience the purity and heritage of our premium honey in every single spoonful.